viewers kan itula gana aro itula ga kila video se guina amni kan confuse no ho karne itu first day to jan idea say Northeast Spring Festival Guwahati de thakise 19 to 23rd April 2026 de itu Northeast Zone Cultural Center de taikan ba organize kurigena Guwahati de besi hall itu laga cultural thakise itu laga program de punyak represent kuru karne Yannu Pongwan village taikan 15 June chief angbra lead kurigena taikan jage aulang laga festival de gala gana besi ase holibi itu laga gana select kurigena ozia chaisi kuina taikan itu gana gage itu jaga de performance kura laga opure taikan ge best performance itu laga award pidishe taikan kinaga gage award dishe aru taikan kinaga perform kurishe itu amahan ekelogore saigena jabo aru taikan kimanjun jaise jaigena amahala kunyak la nam de represent kurage taikan award park karne pe apni khan ke congratulation aru bisi kushi pa itu jane diase video ke ekelogore sai jabo notun channel paise hole subscribe like share kori dibe guna itu bi jane diase let's go.
Our final solo performance of the evening is called Ozia Sai Si from the state of Nagaland. Ozia Sai Si is a traditional folk song of the Konyak Naga tribe performed during the Auliang festival in early April. It serves as a lyrical celebration of nature, community, and the promise of a new agricultural cycle. The lyrics follow a call and response format asking local animals such as the monkey, the hare, and the lion where they go at twilight. Their answers, returning to the jungle, taro fields, or the mountains, symbolize a world in a perfect balance. Beyond the wildlife imagery, the song is a spiritual invocation. By honoring the land and its creatures, the community seeks divine favor for a bountiful harvest in their newly cleared land. The melody is an expression of tribal pride. It acts as a vital oral tradition, preserving the local dialect and reinforcing the social bonds of the village. In essence, Ozia Sai Si is the rhythmic heart of the Konyak New Year, bridging the gap between the wild spirits of the forest and the cultivated hope of the farmers. So here's presenting Ozia Sai Si from the state of Nagaland. Ladies and gentlemen, whatever you see here on stage, here at the Uttar Purv Janjatiya Basant Utsav, some of the most rarest dance forms. So this is another very rare dance form by the Konyak tribe of Nagaland. I now request Director NEZCC, Dr. Prasanna Gogoi, to kindly come on stage and do the honors and distribute the certificates amongst the group members of OZSIC from the state of Nagaland. Heartiest congratulations and thanks to the troop members of OZSIC from the state of Nagaland for presenting this beautiful dance amongst us. Well, now, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for some music. We have two bands today, number one being the Delong Padung, and number two, we have 6 strings as well from Assam. So first, the first performance, the band performance, will be by Delong Padung, which is a folk fusion band from Arunachal Pradesh and is a unique musical collective dedicated to preserving and promoting the rich folk traditions of the Adi community as well as the diverse multi-ethnic tribal melodies of the region. Rooted in indigenous knowledge, the band blends traditional music, instruments and oral narratives with contemporary expression. Their music is inspired by ancient forms like the Abang, Ponung and Bari, and the band carries forward the voice of the ancestors while connecting with modern audiences. Through music, it seeks to revive cultural identity, inspire the younger generation, and build a bridge between tradition and modernity. So basically, more than a band, it is a living expression of heritage, spirituality, and unity through rhythm and song. So ladies and gentlemen, next presenting to you Delong Padung Folk Fusion Band all the way from Arunachal Pradesh.